Hello and welcome to the introduction video on how to maximize and navigate and learn the most from this website so that ultimately you can have great results outside of it with your fan page, with your brand, and really with anything else you use these trainings for, because at the end of the day we want to create as much value for you and knowledge and growth so that you can really truly experience great results. So diving right in, you've obviously come to this website by typing in above here timelineedge.com/training. So the first thing that we're going to cover is the home page right here. You'll notice that we have first, second, and third step written there. You've probably read that before. And down here we have a little tip that we give every week. And up here you have the menu bar on how to access the resources and the trainings and some of the copy and paste resources that we give to you as well. And right now we're just going to focus on this featured slider right here. This is essentially what is made up of this entire training site. So we have the first thing, which is video trainings. I'll go back here. Video trainings cover things like social media, how to use those, how to install Pinterest, how to use your timeline, and further things like that. It's over-the-shoulder kind of thing, so you can see exactly what it is that we do, and we do it in real time with the video, so there's no confusion. You see it. The second thing that you're seeing right here is the copy and paste database. That goes into things like status updates and email marketing and Twitter updates and things like that that you can post directly onto your Facebook, so that you can really not be in question all the time as to what you should use content-wise. The help desk is something that we've provided for you if you experience any troubles with coding or functionality with your timeline Facebook funnel, because typically between the trainings and the resources and the frequently asked questions, most of your answers should be taken care of, or most of your questions to be answered. But if they're not, then absolutely send us a message and we will get help straight to you. And so I'm going to go forward a little bit. So we've already covered the getting started. Actually, no, we haven't. So the getting started is right here. It's the very first thing that you're going to want to do as soon as you get to this website. It's if you haven't done anything else, of course. And it goes into exactly what the timeline funnel is and how to use it, how to navigate with it, and so that you're not sitting there wondering, what the heck do I even have? I don't know what to do, etc. And the last thing that we have is the bonus vault. The bonus vault is things that we've actually had requests from clients on what to put up here. So, for instance, this whole website was built on WordPress quite easily, and so we decided to put up a WordPress training just in case you want to build a website yourself. It's completely up to you, but we want to give you the tools if you want to do that. And down here we also have the Expert's Technical Guide to Internet Marketing. So that's some stuff after you've watched some of the videos, etc. You can go ahead and dive into the bonus vault if you so choose. So that's the overall using the feature slider to show you, but I'm going to show you more in detail on how to navigate through everything so that you're not confused whatsoever. So the first thing is, when you click on the Getting Started, click on Video 1. You're going to start right here, and it's going to take you to a video. Forgive the slow internet. It's going to take you to a video that it's about 10 minutes long, and that's going to show you the A through Z steps on how to really just get familiar with your timeline funnel. Okay, and again, I apologize for the slow internet. I think the video software I'm using to do this video is slowing down my internet a little bit, so I apologize. Okay, there's the video right there. So you're going to see this video, and it's going to give you a good 10-minute run-through of exactly what to do, how to use it, etc. Now, at the very bottom of every page, also, by the way, you're going to have these little buttons, and these little buttons are going to be populated on every page. So for quick navigating, and I'll get to that in just a moment. So from the Getting Started video, which we will upload, notice it only says Video 1. We have a couple Getting Started videos that are on the way, so just stay tuned. Now the next thing we go to is the Training Center. You're going to have video trainings, similar to, it's going to look exactly like this page, but it's going to cover different topics. So right here is timeline storytelling. As soon as you've gone through this video, go to Video Trainings, Social Media, Timeline Storytelling. And that's going to show you exactly what kind of things to post, how to post, and how to leverage posting so that you're not just giving random content that isn't generating any traffic or interest. We show you what to post and how to do it so that you can generate interest, because many people post, we go over this in our trainings, but many people post things that just get annoying or are bored, and sometimes just too many times there will be someone that posts a call to action or a product or trying to sell something in almost every post, and people just get really sick of that. So in this training, we show you how to avoid doing that so that you create interest and engagement rather than avoidance, because at the end of the day, that's certainly not what you want. Next thing you have is some audio trainings. We go into marketing and social media and email marketing, and even some ones on branding and leadership and networking, which are very valuable. Now, the big thing that you're going to be coming back to quite frequently is the copy and paste database. We upload every Tuesday a brand new training and resource to this website, and it's typically going to go to the copy and paste database. In here you have Facebook, Twitter status updates. You have timeline cover images. We've created just over, let's see, how many do we have here? We have 8 timeline covers that we've created for you. Oh, you know what? We have 9 actually. Slow internet was hiding one of them. So we have 9 images, or 9 that we've created for you, so that you can change them whenever you want, so that you can give your Facebook fan page a facelift whenever you want. And then down here we have the shareable infographic. So I'm going to give you an example. So say we go to the Twitter and status updates. So right here you have a whole array of status updates that you can post. Now there's 2 different kinds of status updates that we've provided you. And again, forgive the internet. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. It's going to do it. It's going to do it. I know it can. I know it can. Okay, there we go. So there's 2 different kinds. These status updates right here are designed for non-call to action, only educational and engaging. So if you notice right here, engaging/informative, this gives you a bunch of examples on what to post, and you can either use exact words or use them in your own words, but it gives you ideas on how to cause interest and get the ball rolling for your fans or your friends or whomever is on your Facebook fan page. So we have plenty of topics for you to choose from so that you can really start. So if you're in question about any content and you just don't know what to post, don't worry, we've provided that for you, and we will continually update this with content that you can post. So that's content that you post without a call to action. A call to action would just be you putting a link of your Facebook fan page in your post. So if you go over this tab right here, we only have 2 right here, but it'll be updated with many more very soon. But these give you an example. So here's one. It says, my friend Fat Tony becomes incredible shrinking DJ and rediscovers his police academy dreams. All with this, and then you would insert your link directly to your toxin alert, and we've provided the image for you to post the before and after. So, Fat Tony you can say, my friend Tony, formerly known as Fat Tony, becomes incredible shrinking DJ, etc., etc. And then, or for example, this one right here. If you could change one thing about your current physical appearance, what would it be? I didn't like, and then you insert something about you that you didn't like about your body, and then you say this worked like a charm, and you insert link to your toxin alert tab. And there are many more to come, but that just gives you an idea as to what to copy and paste in here. So we're going over here still, and in here we have all sorts of timeline cover images. By the time you've gotten through your getting started video, you'll understand exactly what those are and how to use them, but I'll just give you an example. So we're going to go back to here so I can show you a list of all of them that we've created for you. And I'm going to go to excuse me, the internet's slow again. This is a fantastic video showcasing not to have too many programs open when you do a video. So please forgive me for that. I'm just waiting for it to work so I can show you all the timeline covers that we've made for you. So here they are right here. New covers. This gives you a facelift whenever you want for your Facebook timeline page. And we have all sorts that you can choose from whenever you like. So say you start with health technology. Say you really want that one. Instead of clicking right here and accessing it, you go down to choose color and download. As soon as you go there, you have access to 5 colors of what that would look like. And to access it, it says click on the color you want, then right click and save the image to your computer. So what you do is you just click that one, say you wanted the pink one, it's more of a purple, and you just right click it and save image directly to your computer, and then you can upload it to your Facebook. So we have 9 timeline covers for you to choose from that all have different colors, and this will be updated frequently. And the last thing in the copy and paste database is the shareable infographics. This just gives you some content to share on your timeline cover, or your timeline posts, so that you can engage fans with education. Because education, if it's catered to an audience or a demographic that you know you're speaking to, can be many times more valuable than just trying to have them buy something from you. So this will be updated more frequently as well, just to give you an idea. And so from there we have the email marketing mastery, and these are some this is an email marketing sequence that we've written for you, and more to come. But so if you have iContact or Aweber or whatever, you can just take this, copy and paste it into your autoresponder sequence. And if you're wondering what an autoresponder sequence is, there is a training within your email service provider. So if you have iContact or Aweber, a training video will be inside there for you to learn exactly what it is. It's a very simple concept, and so don't worry, don't get too overwhelmed, because it's actually very easy. Down here we also provide in bold where to put your link or a call to action. So right here you'd put a link to your toxin alert or your e-commerce site within your Facebook fan page, and we'll show you all how to do that in the training videos if you're curious. This is all just to show you where everything is. Next we're going to go to the frequently asked questions. So we built everything between the trainings and the questions for you to have anything you're confused on be answered within this site, because it's always great to have the answer immediately rather than wait for us to respond to you. However, if you find that you're having some functionality problems with your timeline funnel, then by all means do not hesitate in contacting us by means of the help desk. So you just enter this, and then provide in the message what your issue is, and we'll respond back to you within 24 hours or 1 business day, or if it's on Friday, we'll get back to you on a Monday, so that you can be functional and working again. And we've already gone over the bonus vault between the WordPress and the internet marketing, but that's an idea as to how to use this site. So, and then also down here, there will be little buttons on how to navigate quickly. So say you've completed sending a message and you want to get a new timeline cover, you just click right here and it'll take you to the timeline cover page. So we have some quick navigation buttons as well for you. So all in all, that's everything on how to use this website. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot us a message via the help desk, and I will. I'm really excited. And Zach and I, this is Jeremy. Zach and I are very, very excited to upload new content and trainings and resources for you. We have a lot of great stuff on the way, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, use the content that you already have in here. And you have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.